Today in SNU GSIS BK21Workshop, which was held via Zoom meeting, from today's session, we had a chance to look at presenters' great achievements in their research, and it was very meaningful in that it provided students a wider perspective on the research generally, and in that it gave students a chance to have a lot of thoughts in deciding their future research topic.
Yes, hi, thank you. My name is Kim Sona Kim. I am an International Area Studies major. Today I presented very succinctly on my master's thesis. My research was about the formation of transnational identities and the meaning of home among South Korean young adults. So I was very interested in the topics of migration and what that has to do with identity. So I wanted to see what sort of moving population I can find in South Korea. From this presentation today specifically, it was quite nice to see how other people would react to my research first, but also I received a lot of private messages from a lot of students who wanted to know more about the research, or they were questionable about some parts, and it was quite nice to have a different perspective of my own research so that I can also question some of the things within my own research. So not only did I have answers for some of the questions I had for my research, but also I think I'm leaving with questions of my research as well, which will help me further improve this, polish my work. So that kind of concludes my overall experience of today's presentation.
So my name is Panan, and I'm a master's student at GSIS, a major in international cooperations. So today my presentation topic was women empowerment, bridging the gap between strategies and practice of the national strategies in gender equality in Vietnam. So after my presentations, I was really happy and grateful for the comment and more instructions, very detailed and constructive comment from all the doctoral students. And I'm really impressed that they spent time to read my paper and give really good and detailed and instructive feedback. I think that this sessions is really successful because we got to know we have to share the idea with other students and also to learn from each other, and especially to hear from our guests, our PhD student guests, to learn from the experience and also to to benefit from their research experience, and also got to hear their advice on how to do better research in the future and also how to publish our paper.
Yeah, thank you. So I'm Mark and I'm a master's student at GSIS, graduating this week. And I presented today on my thesis topic, which was dams and development, the politics of hydropower in Laos. So I was trying to look at basically trying to generate an answer to the question of why there's been this explosion in hydropower construction in Laos in the past 10 or 15 years, and especially why so much of this hydropower is being sold overseas, but still being said to be part of a national development strategy. It was also really good to hear other students what their topics, thesis topics have been on. I think especially with COVID, I haven't been to school in a long time, so I've been kind of isolated from what other students are studying and researching. So it was really nice to have the opportunity to hear everyone else discuss their thesis topics too. So thank you.
So hi, my name is Jimin Yu, and I'm an International Area Studies major here at GSIS at Seoul National University. Also, the topic of my presentation today is Do Remittances Reduce the Inequality of Sending Regions? A case study of Mexico. I collected data based on the 32 states of Mexico and constructed 2 regression models and ran the panel regression to get the results. So that was very good. Thank you so much.